Today, I'm going to show you how to create a very impressive and well-optimized YouTube channel using just your mobile phone. Now, this is for you if you don't have a desktop or laptop to start with and you want nothing to stop you from creating your YouTube channel. If this is what you're looking for, then let's go! And welcome. My name is Tope Aghomatse. If you're new here and you want to learn how to grow your YouTube channel, how to use YouTube to grow your personal brand or business, or generally learn stuff about YouTube, then start now by subscribing and clicking on that bell so you don't miss anything. Now, speaking of creating your YouTube channel from start to finish on your mobile phone, I want to let you know that this is 100% possible and you don't have to compromise any single step in the creation process of your channel. Now, if you're doubting me, then this is the video for you because I'm going to show you how to create your YouTube channel as perfectly as you will do it on a laptop or a desktop right on this tiny device. If you're ready, let's get started. Now, first things first, you have to ensure that your YouTube mobile app is updated. Now, if you've done that, let's get right inside YouTube and get started, shall we? So here we are on YouTube. My assumption is you already have a Gmail account that you want to use to create this channel. If not, then you have to first create your Gmail address and then get back to this point. So starting from this point where we have a Gmail account already, click on your channel icon. Then step 2, click on your channel or create channel depending on the one you are seeing. They are both going to lead you to this page. At this point, you can choose to continue using YouTube as your Gmail name. Otherwise, if you want to create a special channel name, you can change it at this point. So here, I'm just going to call it Tope's channel. So we've created the channel called Tope's channel. Now, by default, it took the picture from my Gmail account. I can change this later as we continue to work on the settings of the channel. So first, we are going to work on the core settings of your channel that may not be visible to the public. And then later we move to the customization part, which works on the branding and how your channel looks to the public. So now we are going to click on the back arrow at the top left here to go back to the YouTube homepage and then click on your channel icon again at the top. This time around, you click on your data in YouTube. So now we're going to scroll down and go to your YouTube dashboard. Now, this is going to work if you've already subscribed to at least one YouTube channel or you've uploaded a video on your channel. I have done a few quick things on this channel. So I have 7 subscriptions and then I can do something right now. But if you cannot go forward from this step, be sure to at least subscribe to one channel and please do subscribe to my channel before you can do this. Now, let's click on my subscriptions. Now, so what this does is that it opens YouTube for you as if you were on the desktop. And so now you can complete your setup as if you had a desktop or a laptop. Now, if you're very short-sighted or you can't see things that are very tiny, you might need to get help with this part because everything looks very small. Now, that said, let's get started. Click on your channel icon at the top right corner here and then click on Creator Studio. Now we are in your YouTube studio and we're going to start working on the settings of your channel. So now go to the bottom left of this page and find the settings icon right here. Now this gives you this pop-up and this is where we do all the settings. The tip I have for you here is leave no stone unturned. Open up everything and check if they align with what you want to achieve for your channel. So first we have the general settings and here we just have the default currency. I'd say leave this in US dollars. It's better for you. Next we go to the channel and at this point we have the basic info tab, the advanced settings tab and the feature eligibility tab. And so we're going to take this one after the other. Now the basic info tab shows you your channel name, Tope's channel. Now this is correct. And then now it's asking for your country of residence. So click on the drop down. I'll be selecting Nigeria because that's my country of residence. Now, so this is asking for my channel keywords and basically my channel keywords are the topics I cover on my channel. I already have my channel keywords on a document, so I'm just going to copy and paste to make this really fast. Next, we move to the advanced settings tab. So here YouTube just wants to know if your channel is made for kids or not. Now this does not mean if your channel is not made for kids that you have bad content. It just means that you're not targeting kids. So for my channel, for instance, I don't have content for children. So I'm going to select No, set this channel as not made for kids. I never upload content that's made for children. So I'm going to click the second option. But if you want to review this for every single upload, feel free to select the third option and that will be fine. Now we want to move to the auto-generated captions. Now these are captions that are generated when your video is playing, that are automatically generated by YouTube. Now, should in case YouTube mistakenly generates captions that contain inappropriate words, this aspect of your settings says by checking this box, you can hide potentially inappropriate words from your auto-generated captions. So I'm going to check that because that's what I want. Now, next we have your subscriber count. If you want to hide your subscriber count or you want to show your subscriber count, this is where you make that choice. The next is advertisement. If you want to disable interest-based ads on your channel, meaning that when you get monetized, advertisers should not target your viewers with interest-based ads. Now, if you check this box, whenever you get monetized, you would find that you're not making a lot of money from YouTube ads. So you want to leave this box unchecked so that your viewers can also get targeted by interest-based ads. By the way, they're interest-based, right? These are things that they might be interested in. Now, next is to move to the feature eligibility on your channel. Here we have default features, and you can see here that they are all enabled: video uploads, playlist creation, and all the likes. Now the next one says we are eligible for features like videos longer than 15 minutes, custom thumbnails, live streaming, and all the rest. However, we need to verify our phone number to enjoy this feature. So this is where you verify your channel, right? So we're going to click on this blue button here that says verify phone number and follow the process. So here my country has been selected and it's asking if I want to receive my verification code by text or by a call. Of course, I prefer the text option. And then now it's asking for my phone number. So I'm going to add that and then submit. And then now I'll wait for the code to be delivered to my phone. So now I have it and I'm going to type it in. Submit. And yes, says my channel has been verified. And you can see now that this is refreshing and it's been updated. So that's fantastic. Now let's move down to the next tab that says upload defaults. This is where you set the default title, description, and tags for all your videos. So you don't have to keep adding these things over and over again. Also, you are able to set the default visibility of your videos. I prefer you select private because this prevents you from posting the video you are not yet done working on. So whenever you are done and you're sure you are ready to publish your videos by yourself, you can change the visibility to public and then your video goes public. Next, we have tags. If you have default tags you want to use for all your videos, this is where to put the default tags. Now, next, let's check the advanced settings tab right here. And this is where you confirm the license you prefer for your YouTube channel. I would say leave this at the standard YouTube license because if you choose the Creative Commons Attribution license, you're saying that other channels can download your videos and upload them on their own channels and use as their content, probably monetize and all of that. So if you want to protect your content, you want to stick to the standard YouTube license. Now for the category of your channel, select this based on what suits your niche. For now, I'll just choose people and blogs. So here, click on the drop down and select the language of your channel, the language you speak in your videos. Next, you have caption certification. Please don't even touch this. And then next, we move to the comments. Click on the drop down. I personally recommend you select hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. So this means that when you're not on your channel monitoring things, good comments will get posted, will become visible for everyone. But comments that potentially contain inappropriate words will be held back for you to review. I think that's a fantastic option. Now, this box that says users can view ratings for this video just means that users can see who liked or disliked your video, right? If you don't want that to be visible, this is where you uncheck the box and then nobody can know how many likes or dislikes you have. Now, next, let's move down to permissions. This is where you add partners or managers or editors to your channel. If you have a team you're working with and you don't want to necessarily share your Gmail and your password with everyone, this is where you add managers to your channel so that from their end, they have access to the channel and they can make changes as required of them. And what you do here basically is at this top right here, click on invite, type the email of the person you would like to invite to manage your channel, and select the level of access you want to grant this person. So we have manager, option, editor, and viewer and all that, just select manager and click on done. Now, when you do this, the person gets an invitation in his or her email, and in the email, the person can accept your invitation and is granted instant access to your channel. So next, now we want to move to community. So here you can add moderators, approved users, hidden users, blocked words. Now that's my favorite part of this page. I have blocked words for my channel because I want to keep my community sane. Whatever doesn't suit your values, this is where you type them in, and make sure that YouTube blocks comments that have these words from being visible on your channel. Next, you have block links. So here you can block links from being visible in your comments, and until you approve, no link gets posted in your comment section. So I like to check that box to make sure I'm able to stay in control. Now, next we move to default tab right here on the right. Here, just make sure that you have also completed the settings for your comments. So generally, I like to hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. In my discussion tab, the same thing. And then in my live chat as well, I do that by checking this box right here. So next, now let's move down to the next tab, agreement. And here we have nothing to agree to. So we're basically done with all the settings. Like I said, don't leave any stone unturned. And now we're done. We click on save. Fantastic. So now we are done with the key settings of this channel. And if you would check this channel by clicking on the icon at the top left here, you'll see that this channel is still very plain. So now it's time to move to the next phase of your settings, which is the customization part. And this is where we set up your channel, give it a facelift, and make it attractive to your ideal audience. But before we get into that, if you're getting value so far, which I'm sure you are, click on that like button below and let me know. Now let's move to the next part of our settings, which is the customization part, and that we're going to be starting right now. On the top of this page, I can see a blue button that says customize channel, which is going to take me right to the customization settings. Now on the customization page, we have the layout tab, the branding tab, and the basic info tab. Now for the layout tab, we are going to set our video spotlight. First is the channel trailer. That's your hype video, the 15-second to 2-minute video that talks about your channel and invites people to subscribe. That's the video that gets visible to visitors on your channel, and it's called your channel trailer. This is where you add it. Next, you have your featured video. It's like your most important video, a video that everybody following you on your channel should watch, right? And then after that, we have the featured sections. These featured sections, if you click on add section here, shows you the kind of things that can be featured in this part of your channel. Now, this is where you add sections to your channel homepage. However, because this is a brand new channel, there's nothing to add, so we can't use this for now. Next, let's go to branding, and this is where we can change things up. Now, like I said, this picture came from my Gmail account, and I can change it by clicking on change and selecting the picture I prefer. So I prefer this picture, and then I click on done, and it's been changed. And next, I have the banner for my channel, and I can upload it right here. Now, speaking of banners, if you want to learn how to create a very powerful YouTube banner for your channel, you can check the video up here or use the link in the description below to find the video where I shared how to create a powerful channel banner using Canva. Now, speaking of uploading the channel banner, let's click on upload. I'll select from my gallery what I already downloaded to my phone. And then these dimensions are perfect because Canva has templates. So I just select done, and this is good to go. Next is your video watermark. This is that tiny pop-up that you see in some videos on YouTube that can be clicked on to subscribe to a channel. So you want to set your video watermark, upload any nice square image. I like to use call out images like this that says subscribe as my watermark, and then this will show in my video when it's playing. Now, next, you want to go to your basic info tab. This is where you add the description of your channel. Fantastic. So I got that sorted. And here you can see your channel URL is visible. You can copy this and share with your friends to invite them to subscribe to your channel. Next, you want to add your links, your website, your social media pages, and all that. So click on add link. Here you have to name your link. So maybe your first link is your website. Next, I can add my Instagram page. I can copy and paste my Instagram link. So you can add more links to this area. Just continue clicking on add link until you've added all the links you desire. And then next, you want to go to the contact information. And so just add your email address. Yes, so we're now done with the branding and we can publish our channel. So just go to the top right corner here and click on the blue button that says publish. Wait for a few seconds for this to be processed, and then you will see a pop-up that says changes published, go to channel. So click on go to channel, and yes, you can see you now have a very beautiful YouTube channel. Now remember, if you want to learn how to use Canva to create YouTube banners like mine, you want to check the video up here or check the link in the description below for the video where I share step by step how to use Canva to create fantastic channel banners. Now that's it right there. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video, and until then, keep showing up and keep crushing it. Bye.